Welcome back, adventurers, to the third episode of our series, Pilibhit Unleashed. If you're new here or just need a refresher, make sure to check out our first and second episodes where we had some incredible tiger encounters. Today, we are diving deeper into the wildscapes of Zone 2 for yet another brilliant tiger sighting. So sit back, relax, and join us as we uncover the untamed beauty and thrilling wildlife of Pilibhit. High on confidence and energy, we set out for the safari, led by our expert ecotourism forest guide, Mr. Ravi Saroj. Despite predictions of thunderstorms later in the day, we pressed on with a mix of excitement and a bit of worry. The adventure ahead promised to be unforgettable. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is divided into several zones, each offering unique landscapes and wildlife experiences. Mala Range, known for its dense forests and rich biodiversity, this range is a prime spot for wildlife sightings, including tigers, leopards, and various bird species. Haripur Range, this range features a mix of grasslands and forests, providing a diverse habitat for animals like deer, wild boars, and tigers. On our way, we stumbled upon a fierce spectacle: two male jungle fowls locked in a battle for dominance. Their vibrant plumage and intense combat added an unexpected thrill to our journey through the wilds of Pilibhit. Barahi is noted for its picturesque landscapes and tranquil water bodies, attracting a variety of wildlife, especially during the dry season. Mahof Range, with its extensive bamboo groves and thick forests, Mahof Range is a favorite among visitors for spotting elephants and other large mammals. Chuka Range is famous for its scenic beauty and the presence of water bodies that attract a plethora of bird species, making it a bird watcher's paradise. Determined to spot more wildlife, we decided to explore the denser part of the range near the siphon. Suddenly, the light conditions dipped as dark clouds gathered overhead. Small droplets of rain began to fall on us, signaling the imminent downpour. We quickly moved to protect our cameras from the inevitable rain, preparing ourselves for the stormy adventure ahead. The thunderstorm stole an hour from our evening safari, leaving us with just one last hour to capture some sightings. With renewed determination, we prepared to make the most of the remaining time, hoping for a glimpse of the elusive wildlife that calls Pilibhit home.
After the storm, one tree has fallen on the road. Now, someone has to come and move this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but for now, we are in a deadlock situation.
With no other options available, we diverted to the Pakki side. Despite the unexpected detour, our journey was rewarded with an excellent sighting: a majestic stork-billed kingfisher perched on a tree, proudly displaying its recent frog kill.
आगे जाके बंगाली बस्ती है काफ़ी इसी एरिया में, तो वहाँ पर थोड़ा समय रुके, उसके बाद निकल गए नेपाल के। नेपाल यहाँ से काफ़ी दूरी नहीं है, फॉरेस्ट के रास्ते से कम पास में ही है।
Excitement coursed through our veins as we stumbled upon fresh footprints of a male tiger, evidence that the magnificent predator had crossed this very area just moments before. Our experienced guide, Ravi Ji, confirmed our suspicions, adding an electrifying sense of anticipation to our safari.
As you see, there's a tiger in front of us. This tiger is moving for the last 15 minutes and it's following us and we are just moving ahead. That is the scene for today. Initially we thought that we won't be getting anything, but now this is like superb.
Like a dazzling fireball emerging from the wet forest, the Barahi male stepped into view and began to walk steadily toward us. His majestic presence commanded the attention of all, his every movement a testament to the raw power and grace of the jungle's apex predator. With hearts pounding and cameras clicking, we stood in silent admiration, captivated by the sheer magnificence of this extraordinary creature. Just as quickly as he had appeared, something prompted the Barahi male to retreat back into the safety of the bushes. Our hearts sunk with a mixture of disappointment and anxiety, wondering what had caused the sudden change in his behavior. Determined not to let the moment slip away, we carefully made way for him, creating passages in the hope that he would once again grace us with his presence and bring the jungle to life. With bated breath and hopeful hearts, we waited. Within minutes, as if answering our silent pleas, the Barahi male reappeared on the tar road, striding with the confidence and charisma of a true rock star. His presence electrified the atmosphere, infusing the jungle with a renewed sense of life and vitality. As he confidently scent-marked a tree, marking his territory with a silent declaration of dominance, we knew our safari time had come to an end. Despite the brief encounter, our hearts were filled with satisfaction and contentment.
Now it's 3 in 3, so we have completed 3 safaris in Pilbhit and we have seen tiger in all of them. That's a great news I wanted to convey to all of you. Last few places where we went, our luck didn't favor a lot, but here till now, by the grace of God, we are having a great time and we are seeing tigers. We are only seeing tigers, so that is a very good thing. We have got some fantastic footages and you will see it live.
If you've enjoyed the thrill of our jungle adventures and the breathtaking encounters we've shared, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our videos with fellow wildlife enthusiasts, and leave your thoughts and comments below.